Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yes, today I am going to share with you something that I have made or experimented last. Something that interesting is especially if you love yogurt. I am going to show you how to make yogurt in three ways, and it's very easy. And whatever the thing that I am going to use will be for sure available in wherever place you are right now. So stay tuned until the end, and thank you so much. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, click the like. And if you want to notified on my future video, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I am uploading new videos in the future. Thank you so much, and please stay until the end. Thank you. Let us start. First, we need lemon or any kind of lemon, lime, or calamansi. In chili, except the spicy one, and of course, the boiled milk. Then, plastic boxes. Depends on you if how much do you want, but here I am going to use a small one. Make sure that the milk is warm, not hot, not cold. It should be a little bit hot and not so hot. Let us start. Put milk on the boxes. It depends on how much do you want, but here I use small ones. And then, add or place the lemon. Cover it. Next, put one chili on the milk and then on the other box and then cover it as well. Last, the yogurt. We are going to use yogurt here. First, we are going to spread it on the box and then add the milk. After adding it, mix it well and then cover it as well. Place it on one side. You can cover it with fabric if you want. After 5 to 6 hours, here's our yogurt. This is the green chili, lemon, and the yogurt base. We have made it successfully. So here's the thing, guys. I am going to show you or I will tell you that as try. I will tell you the taste if how is the taste of these things that I have experimented. Okay, so this is made of yogurt made of chili, and this one is yogurt made of orange, and this yogurt is made of yogurt as well. So we are not going to taste it, okay, but the difference is just this yogurt that I made with the same yogurt is watery. Okay, there's a lot of water, but of course yogurt is yogurt. So what I am going to share is just or taste is just these two things, the lemon flavor, or actually I use lime. It's a lime, it's not a lemon. So here, this is actually a lime because there is no other. This is the only available lemon that I have in here. A family of lemon. It's lime, or in our language we call it calamansi. Alright, so we are going to remove that and let's taste. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yes, right, it's also creamy. Let me taste so I can tell you how it tastes like. But let's see the smell. There's no smell. No smell of lime or lemon. Okay, so but let's see the taste. Amazing. There is no it's just like normal. It tastes like normal yogurt. Next, so this is perfect, guys. You can use lemon to make yogurt and there is no taste. Okay, no taste of lemon, but if you love lemon, then it's also good, right? It's nice, but promise 100% no smell, no taste of lemon. But let's see the green chili. Okay, so let's remove first the green chili. Alright, put in one side, but as I open it, I can smell the smell. of green chili. The smell, yeah, there is a smell of the green chili. And I noticed that in here, compared to the lemon, there is no water. Okay, it's not watery. There is no much water in it. It's like pure, it's solid, right? But this one, I noticed that using this chili, there is water like normal yogurt. When we use yogurt, there is also water, and in chili, it's the same. Look, yeah, there is a water. Okay, there is water. Look, there is a little water. So, using the green chili, it has water. But anyway, let's taste. Now, I'm not going to throw that water because they said, I have read somewhere that the water of the yogurt is also healthy. So let us not throw it, okay? But let's taste. So here's the yogurt under it, and let's taste it. Let's see how it tastes like, because there is a smell of the green chili, but it's so nice to smell. So nice, it smells so relaxing. But if you don't like the smell, of course, we have a different kind of we have different people. So some, they don't like smell of the chili, and some likes it, and I like it. It's really nice smell. So let's taste. There is also a taste of chili. Not chili like red chili or like spicy type of chili. Like, it's not spicy. It's just, you can taste the fresh green chili taste of the yogurt. It's also nice, but just it becomes flavored with green chili. As in, if you are familiar with the green chili taste and smell, that's the taste. Okay, but I can assure you guys, it's not really bad. It's not bad, especially if you love the smell of the green chili and the green chili. And also, it's not spicy. That's the good thing. It's just the smell, but not spicy. So it's also great, especially if you will use it in some food that you are going to use, or you want to use yogurt to your cooking. It's perfect to use, okay, because it has already taste of or smell of green chili. Yes, and one thing that I noticed using this green chili, there is no bitter. No, sorry, no sour taste. Okay, because usually the yogurt has a sour taste, right? But this one, using the green chili, there is none. Great. And in this lemon, there is a little bit sour taste, but there is no smell of lemon, as in no smell of lemon. It's really natural yogurt. So that's it, guys, and you can try it as well. So if you are somewhere else where you cannot find yogurt and you want yogurt, then you can make it in your own. Just follow the way I made it, and you will make it perfectly as well. You can successfully make, and you can make it anytime you want yogurt, and it is natural, right? Natural and healthy. Thank you so much. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and for staying until the end. And again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, click the like. And if you want to be notified for my future video, click the notification bell. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you on my next video. Bye.